Hello guys, I'm gonna show you how to install and set up virtual machine on your Windows operating system. Before I'm gonna do the installation process or step, I will make some verifications on the point of virtual machine. What is by virtual machine means? Virtual machine is a computer resource that uses software to run programs and deploy applications instead of physical computer. It's also a stable environment which runs the same in different platforms what we are using to develop applications or softwares in our daily basis. There are two types of virtual machines: the system or hardware virtual machines, which includes like VirtualBox and VMware, and the process of the application virtual machines, which includes Java virtual machines and .NET framework. Virtual machines have a lot of advantages. Let's say, for example, the first one is isolation. In virtual machine, each operating system runs separately with having their own virtual resource, and which helps us to avoid software conflicts in our work. Second one is high availability of access of data. In virtual machine, if one virtual machine server is failed, then it is easy to access our data from another virtual machine server database. The third one is scalability. In virtual machine, adding or removing resources is very easy and fast. The fourth one is virtual machine has a good backup file system with a fast recovery of data. Finally, the cost reduction. Virtual machine saves cost by running multiple operating systems on a single machine or computer, that means. Unlike of its advantages, virtual machines have also disadvantages. One of them are the huge consumption of RAM, random access memory, or disk space. Since each platforms or operating systems are running separately in virtual machine, they need huge amount of RAM for processing our data, and they take huge amount of disk space for saving or files. That here are the tools we are going to use them in order to set up our new virtual machine in our operating system or personal computer. The first one is VirtualBox. It is a good platform for virtualization of software, and it allows users to extend their existing computer to run multiple multiple operating systems on that computer that is. Another tool is Vagrant. It's also the same as VirtualBox, but it uses for building or creating of virtual machines and managing virtual environments on our daily basis workflows that is. Now we are gonna to see the installation process. The first step is go to the VirtualBox website and download VirtualBox, then install it. Just hit in this Windows hosts and download it, the VirtualBox. Then install it. Now I'm not gonna to follow this step or to do it again because I have installed it. Finally, when the installation process of VirtualBox finishes, you will see like this interface that means. The second step is go to the Vagrant website and download Vagrant. Here hit on the download button and download the AMD 64 for Windows. After it had downloaded, then install it. Install it the Vagrant setup by looking the steps. I'm not gonna longer now because I have installed it before. Finally, when the installation of Vagrant finishes, it will tell you to restart your computers for the sake of configurations. Don't worry, press yes and make it restart your computers and you will start your activities with Vagrant since it was installed. Open your terminal or command prompt and check the Vagrant version by typing this command. Here Vagrant is already installed with version of 2.219. Then the third step is define a location where can you install your virtual machine. Now I would like to put my virtual machine here in documents and I will create new folder with the name of Ubuntu 20.4. After you do that, copy the location and turn back to your command prompt or terminal. Then go to the path of where can your machine do you want to install. Let's say for example I want to install my machine or my virtual machine here. Then press enter. The next step is add the box to your path by typing Vagrant, box, add Ubuntu focal image. Just check there are so many focal images by going to the website address of Vagrant. In order to add your box to your path, go to the find boxes in the Vagrant web address and press the find boxes. Here are some focal images or boxes which are available for creating virtual machines. I would like to install this focal image or box in my operating system. I will press here and I will see the Vagrant file. Here is the Vagrant file of the Ubuntu 364 VirtualBox. Then here by clicking the new button, you will get the name of your box and copy that. Then put in your command line. Then press enter. It may take some time. So now this box is added successfully to my system. The next step is to make it initialize the box. Then go to the Vagrant website and add by just copy this command. So now the Vagrant file is generated to my file directory where I am creating my virtual machine in my operating system. It was placed in my directory. Then we are just look by open the directory we have created before. Here it is. Already the file is generated to my directory. Then I'm going to Vagrant app my box in order to start my box by using this Vagrant app command in order to start up my box. So now as you look at my Vagrant app is finished and my machine is start. I'm going to write the Vagrant SSH command in order to connect with my virtual machine. If this command gives you an error message, even not connected with your virtual machine, the Vagrant SSH, just debug it by using the Vagrant SSH -config command. Then enter it and it will you will get some specific information about your Vagrant SSH in order to connect with your virtual machine, like the user address and something. Now I am officially connected with the remote Ubuntu 64-bit everything I'm gonna to do using the shell scripting. Let's say for example I will check my current working directory using pwd. Even if I will check the list of contents inside this folder by using ls, nothing is here for now. Just I will create a new file called hello, touch hello. Now I will see that the hello file is inserted in my current working directory using the ls command. Yes, it was inserted. Even if you have to also create a new directory using mkdir shell command, mkdir key, and just use the ls command to look whether your directory is created or not in your current working directory. Yeah, here key is inserted. So you have to do everything what you want here, whether you test any application, develop any application, whatever you want, since you are remotely connected with your virtual machine. So someone may ask, what is the reason we are downloading the virtual box? yes, but it is used as to see whether our created virtual machine in our operating system is running or not. Look like this. Here is the virtual machine I have created before running. Thanks again for your watching. Bye bye.